Hello guys, Nigel here, Nigel's Modelling Bench, and I'm back with you this morning with one of my little 5-minute quick tip videos. I know you like these, and this is going to be a great one for beginners and maybe even some more experienced modelers out there. When it comes to gluing on tiny parts, parts like these tiny little bits here, then quite often it's difficult to hold them, clean them up, you know, and that without them flying across the room and your tweezers and everything. So what I often do is cut them off the sprue and glue them on before I cut them off the sprue and clean them up. So how do I do that? Well, we've got this part here, and this part here, number 7, has to glue onto this part here. So what I'm going to do is, instead of nipping the part off the sprue, I'm going to nip the sprue away around the part. So in fact what I'll do is just cut up through there, just like that. Okay, so we've got the part there still attached to the sprue. Now you might want to go around it, just quickly give it a rub over to remove any seam lines or anything. And then this is going to glue onto there. There's no positive location for it or anything, it's just going to glue on. So I'll put a drop of glue on the back of it, just like so, and then glue it on in position like that. Whoops. Just like that, in place. And that can sit there. I'll position it, make sure I've got it in the right place. There's supposed to be a pin there, but there's nothing there. There we go. I'll just run round a little bit of extra thin around there just to remove that glue mark. And there we go, I can leave that to go off. What I'll do is I will put that in a clothes peg so that it can sit on the bench without putting any stress on it. Okay, so we've got that part now and the glue is dried, so we can come along with our nippers and just get in nice and close to the part and nip off the sprue. Job done. Quick rub with the sanding stick. There we are, that's that done. So that is the way to fit your tiny little parts and not really worry about the them flying off your tweezers or anything. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you all soon.